All right, welcome back, everybody. This is week 2 review with myself, Leonard Williams, and got my boy.
Hey guys, week like Leonard just said, week number 2. My name is Chid. I'm happy to be here with you guys on the week number 2 to share this awesome opportunity with you guys.
Yep. So we're going to make this a very quick video tutorial, guys and folks. What we want to do is just really give you guys just an update. We promised we were going to give you week-to-week review and give you guys an updates on what we're experiencing, so that you can continue to watch us as you are starting to get into maybe considering cash FX or just sitting on the sideline. This is just an honest review, guys. We're just giving you our experiences. But before we get into it, let's go ahead and I'm going to stop sharing my screen. We're going to go into a little disclaimer so that you guys are aware of it. I'm going to stop sharing. Go ahead, Chid, it's all yours.
Okay, it's important that we must read our disclaimer, because it's where we're dealing with the financial market, guys. So here's our disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and due diligence before joining any programs or platforms. There are no guarantees, and income is illustrated and implied is not a guarantee that you will earn the same. Investing in the Forex market carries a high level of risk, and you could lose some or all of your monies. There are high risks involved, so only use funds that you can afford to lose, guys. Very important. Only use funds that you can afford to invest in this business. Don't put money here that you have to do any of your main purchases when it comes to your home. All right, guys, we're back with that, Leonard.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and share back my screen, Chid. Thank you, buddy. So, folks, again, this is FX, right? So this is Forex, and to Chid's point, you're gonna have a lot of folks that's on. Let me see. I'm bringing up my Exodus wallet here by accident, so I apologize. Folks, this is something that you guys want to definitely take a look at. Let me go ahead and minimize this and bring up. Let's see here. Dude, I can't find you, man. I don't know what happened to my camera.
You can't see me?
There you go. All right, so all right, so I got it back up. So, folks, again, this is Forex, and again, you can lose all your money if you're manually trading, for sure, unless you get some type of training and you guys been into it for a while. 90%, 95% of, I would say, Forex traders do lose a lot, especially if you're a newbie and you don't know a lot about Forex. You can definitely lose a lot of money. I've lost a lot of money in the past, and I've gained a lot of money too. So
we have blown accounts, guys. So
easily, especially with some of these brokers, unregulated brokers with the 1,000% leverage. Boy, folks, you'll blow your money fast. It doesn't take long. So I can tell you guys, let's talk about cash FX. So this is week 2 of our review. Like last week was a partial week earning. Do you remember how much we earned last week? It was like 3 or 4 days. What was it?
3 days. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
You remember what the percentage we earned again? I can't remember what it was.
I
think it was like 2, 4. I think it was like 6 or 7%.
Well, 7.2%.
Yeah, I think it was like 7%. It was only like 3 days, folks. I mean, just go ahead and go back and watch our week 1 video. It wasn't that many. It wasn't that much in terms of week 1, because it was only like 3 or 4 days of Forex training earning. But we can say this week we got a full week of daily earnings in terms of the percentages that they're earning in the trade. So let me go over that, and I'll pull that up real quick. So here's what you'll actually see, that the daily earning. This is what we got, and starting at the bottom going up. This was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, so 5 days, folks, 5 days. Forex is trading 5 days a week. Anybody saying they're Forex trading, they give you 7 days earning, run away. Okay, so that's not it. It's got to be 5 days, because that's when Forex is trading 5 days. If they're trading, they give you payout 7 days. Where the extra 2 days is coming from beats me. Right? You got to be kind of leery. As you can see, folks, 13.12% in 5 days. Not 2 weeks, not 3 weeks, and definitely not within a month. This is within 5 days, 13%. folks, if you're earning 13% in a month, I'm shaking your hand.
Right.
But if you're earning 13% in a week, we got to be best friends. You get me? That makes sense, folks. 13% in 5 days on your money and any type of investment, any type of platform, any type of growth is phenomenal. What do you think, Chid?
It is. This is remarkable. Look at these numbers. It blew my mind because as a trader myself, I'm struggling to make, 0.5% a day is on that 1% a day. And a good trader also may on their good days they do 1%. But when you look at these numbers and what Cash FX is putting up, over 2% a day, this is remarkable, guys. This is something that blew my mind. And and the one thing that I love, that even though the numbers are great, is the owners and how transparent they are when it comes to the business. The percentage is one thing, and I'm going to elaborate on this a lot, guys, because the transparency to me goes a long way, and when it comes to this type of business we're in. So the transparency is there, and they're putting the numbers on the board. So you have two things going side by side, which is all positive, and and encouraging. So guys, I know it's where this numbers here, 30%, like Leonard just says, you do 30% a week, we'll be best friends, man, because the fact that the numbers are so phenomenal.
Right. Now, you guys probably remember from our week 0 video, week 1 video, it was supposed to be up to 12%. You guys probably hearing it from someone who's telling you, yeah, you're supposed to earn like up to 12%. And up to 15% with the force matrix. And we'll talk about that in a minute. But we can tell you folks, we're a little bit shocked than you are. So this is over the 12%. This is actually just from the trading. This is no recruiting, no commission. This is the straight Forex earnings results that Cash FX is generating or earning. And you can see these are not consistent. Monday was 2.23, and I was like, wow, that's pretty low. But dude, I'm not complaining. 2.23%. I've earned one day on my money. Shut the hell up. And that's exactly what I did. And I kept going. And then I saw the 2.66, and then I saw the 2.89. It just kept going. And on Thursday was wham, 2.96 blew my mind. Just that alone, if you can earn 3% on your money a month, is phenomenal. Of course, bigger capital balances will give you a great return on 3%. I got like to Chid's point, folks. People are happy with, as Forex trader, being able to make 0.5%. This was like in the last 5 years, people making 0.5% on your money in Forex is phenomenal per day. People are killing it on 5 to 7% per month on Forex. I think those days are almost gone. It's almost like you're forced to get that 1%, and people are probably even losing more of the money trying to manually trade. But I got to say, folks, 13% is phenomenal. And let me divide this by 5 just to kind of get an average. We are talking about 2.62%. I can't complain.
That's per day.
It is what it is. Folks, these are real numbers. These are not my numbers. These are not fictitious numbers. I didn't create this artwork. This is actually something that you'll see as you become a member of Cash FX. It's phenomenal.
Yes.
Have you noticed that they kind of wipe this clean and every week they start a new week?
Yes.
So I think that's pretty neat.
Yeah, because I noticed that this week as well, because they're not trying to put everything into jiggle it up too much. So they're keeping it clean.
Yeah, I think that's okay. But here's the thing, folks. I don't know what to say. This is week 0. We're kind of a little skeptical. We saw the transparency and said, not bad. Let's test it out. Week 1, we saw 3 days of results. It was like 7%. We were like, whoa.
7%.
7% in a week. Whoa, I can see where it can become 12%. That's great. 12%, we got to think about this. 12% every week times 4 weeks in a month. That's 48% return. That's great. Then we saw this week at 13%. I'm speechless. This right here is, I have no other emotion going other than.
We were just just drawing about averaging about 12% a week, doing like 48 per month. You look at 4 weeks per month, and then we saw 30.12%. I was like, oh man, this is beyond our expectation. But we're still gonna start keep it at a 12% range because is what we're running on. Anything comes in is extra, is bonus. So it's a plus for you guys and for us. So it's 13.12. You can't go wrong. That's an extra 1.12%, which we got, which we didn't expect, which we do received. It's a 5-day trading.
Not bad for a brand new company that's barely a month old. Full transparency. I think they're getting ready to do another live webinar. So,
yes.
Folks, if you're not in our Facebook group, you may want to get into this Facebook group, folks. We got over 1,000 members, as you guys can see here. It's over 1,000 members here already within the month. Yes, it's growing. A lot of people's in here. This is Fx Power Team Group. They're supposed to be, we reached 1,000 members, so he's pretty excited there. Supposed to be a kind of a live webinar video. If you guys get in here, reach out to Chid and I, and click on our Facebook link, reach out to us, and we'll get you connected to the Facebook group. Even if you guys are not on our team, it doesn't matter, right? The point is to say, hey, how can I get in? We'll get you in. But there's supposed to be like a meeting with Justin Holiday and Ron Pope, who is the CEO for Conversion Pros, the Conversion Pros, and then Huasca Lopez. He's the founder and one of the founders and the owner of CashFX. Supposed to be like a live broadcast. So we'll see what happens. Might be some new development. We'll share with you guys on week 3 video. But I'm happy, man. I'm pretty satisfied. I can't complain. I'm not going to complain.
Right, and guys, this group is here to give you all information updated and on a daily basis. The group is here to inform you more and more and get you more, see where your head is at if you want. This is something for you. But these guys, the group is here. You want to get access to the group. Just reach out to myself on Leonard, like Leonard just mentioned, and we will give you access to this group. You get all the information about the company, and again, you can message us, myself on Leonard, and we will be here to happily answer any question that you have in regards to this CashFX.
Yeah, folks, if this is your first video, you haven't watched week 0 review, week 1, and this is your first time watching the week 2 video, folks, CashFX is been started about a month ago. They're doing Forex trading, providing earnings, trading account, and they have a force matrix. There's multiple ways to earn. You guys go watch our week 0 video. It'll give you a full review, just to kind of give you a quick snapshot. There's different, I would say, academy packs that you can buy from starting as low as 300, right, to the contract term is to 2 times your money. So 300 becomes 600, 500 to 1,000, 1 to 2,000. That's how it goes. And there's different academy packs that you can buy all the way up to 100,000. And again, it's Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out. And I did a withdrawal this Saturday. Yesterday, you did a withdrawal?
Yes.
So I would say I did a withdrawal. You earned your returns every day. So you see the dollar every day, but the actual disbursement of the payment happens in your back office on Saturday about noon Eastern time. Right after that, you can withdraw anytime. You can leave it in there. You can wait till Monday. You can withdraw a little bit. You can withdraw a little bit more. You can do whatever you want after Saturday. I did an immediate withdrawal, 2 weeks, just to kind of see if this withdrawal thing's going. You always want to practice this, right? So you want to get your seed money out. Yeah. Anyway, you can't roll it over, damn it. So there's nothing else you can do but the withdrawal, which I like. You can't force to withdraw that. You can't just compound your account. It's kind of the lottery mentality when people get in there and say, oh, I can compound. And then they keep compounding, and they never withdraw. And then all of a sudden the companies go, and then they're like, oh, I should have did a withdrawal. Huh? Hello? So I'm already on my way to earning my initial seed money back. I'm about 20% there. And I can say, folks, within the next 4 weeks, I probably got my initial deposit back, which I'm going to be totally relieved. But to be honest with you, at 13%, it could be faster than that. I'm just really satisfied.
Right. Leonard and I both did 2 withdrawal, but one last week, one this week. And by the time I got home, they were already in my Exodus wallets. So, they're, and then you get an email saying that your transaction is completed. So they notify you, hey, your payment has been sent to your Bitcoin wallet.
Yep.
So they're very put it they inform, they're very informative a lot, because if something happens, you gain a commission. If something happens, you get emails to notify you. So every transaction happens, you get an email stating that this happened, that happened, or your payment has gone through, is complete. So you get they're very they communicate with everyone when something happens. So they're not holding back or hiding or saying anything. They're coming in front and let you know this is what we did.
That's true, and that's a good thing, folks. In terms of the transparency, in terms of the information that you're seeing, folks. I would say if you're sitting on the sideline and if you're interested in joining CashFX, click on the link. Go ahead and join. Place yourself in there. Get your spot in the Force Matrix. You don't have to recruit anybody. Click on one of our links, Chid and Leonard's link at the bottom of our YouTube channel video, or reach out to us on the Facebook, and we'll help you. We'll give you some more information. Just message us, and we'll help you, give you some more information. Or you can just continue to watch our video. Either way, if you're entertained by our weekly update. But other than that,
anyway, regardless.
Man, my withdrawal happened within a couple of hours. I think they execute the withdrawal twice a day on Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern time, and then another one at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So as long as you hit one of those times, you're going to get it that day. If not, you just have to wait till the next day when they process, and they process it every day. So withdrawals are being processed every day, depending on who's withdrawing. Oh, I will say, so I think we said this in the last video, week 1, is that they have a Force Matrix payout on the 1st and the 16th of every month. So the 16th did come through. I did not get any type of Force Matrix payout commission. Chid, did you?
No, I didn't see a force matrix. I guess because of the time we came in, so I'll have to wait until the 1st of September. We'll know more when that comes.
So we just want to kind of make sure, just in case you wanted to say, hey, what happened to the Force Matrix piece of it? So we came in like around, I think the 6th, I can't remember, 6th or the 7th of the month. So it was like in between the 1st and the 15th, right? So the 1st and the 15th get paid on the 16th. But between the 1st and the end of the month get paid on the 1st. So we will be looking for a Force Matrix commission payout on the 1st. And then we'll share that with you guys probably in our week 4 video probably by then.
Right.
So we can let you guys know. We've been recruiting people. People have been upgrading. We get commissions from that, but I don't want to share that with you guys because that's something you may not be interested in. And if you do, yes, we are earning from that. When we upgrade, you get instant commission right away. That's on the bullish side. And then the bearish side is what I'm really, really driving and, sharing, because I think that's beneficial for anyone, whether you recruit 1 person or 0 person. I really like that part.
Absolutely. It's remarkable how you could actually gain on the Force Matrix without not even referring 1 person, because just additional money you get in on the Force Matrix, and you could just be a lazy person, don't want to do anything and still own it.
Yeah. So other than that, folks, that is week 2 video. That's all I have to put in there, just to kind of give you guys that it is going strong. It's even probably going better. I'm very happy and very satisfied. I will continue to be part of this company and be part of this group and be part of this growth movement. And I am looking to upgrade very soon. I know Chid would be looking to upgrade very soon, folks.
Soon. Yes, very much, guys, because you want to take advantage of the upgrade. The more you upgrade, the better payout you get. Faster they're in, they're gonna gain. And the higher they're up in the Force Matrix, they're gonna get that Force Matrix payout as well. Because remember, the lower you go, the deeper you go, it's gonna take a while for you to get there. But you start jumping now, that's always gonna happen faster for you because you're up there. So that's why you may want to take action if this is a fit for you. If you want to take action, guys, like we did, and jump in and take advantage of taking the spillover on the force matrix, that's an awesome little additional money you're going to receive beside your bear profits that you're going to get every single day. And again, you don't need to refer anyone to this at all if you don't want to. It was designed for both network marketers and non-network marketers who wants to not do anything, just only the passive side. And also, if you're a network marketer, want to bring people in on both bull and bear, so you get an extra payout on both sides of the pie charts. So you get a bull and bear payout, guys. You got 4 times your money that way. You put in 300, you can walk away with 1,200 if you build it as a, both you share it to others and have the passive side on for you while you're sharing it to others. This is a win-win situation. That's how I see it.
I would agree with that, folks. Everything he said. So I can tell you right there, I normally I would shoot down any opportunity out there. If I see some red flags, folks, I will point that out for you. In this one, I can't point out even a pink flag about that for you. I'm speechless. I can only say it's working, it's paying, it's earning.
Yes. It's
very transparent. It's real, and that's what I can say. And with that being said, folks, this will be the end of our week 2 video tutorial and review. I guess not more of a tutorial, but more of a week 2 review of our experience and what we're seeing. And look forward to our week 3 video review and experience update for next week. Right. So,
one last thing,
guys, go ahead.
One last thing, quick before we go. Just one last thing, guys. If you just want to get more information, these guys are doing like live webinars almost every 5 days a week. So you can probably go to the channel as well and check out their videos just to check them out as well. So they're doing presentation almost 5 days a week, English and Spanish. So you can check them out there as well if you just want to just be more, get more information on what they're doing. So they're out there every single day of the week. So yeah. That being said, Leonard. We'll catch you in the next video.
Yeah.
Have a great week, guys.
Okay, folks. I'll see you later and see you guys next week. All right. Bye-bye.